Welcome to our newest listing in Northwoods at Avery Ranch. This home is on a rare private Cul De Sac lot, primary and additional bedroom downstairs. It's extensively upgraded home with outdoor living, media room, and a game room. You can walk and bike to the Metrorail station, Target, H-MART, H-EB, many restaurants, the new Dell Children's Hospital, and the future Texas Children's Hospital. Numerous upgrades include double extended outdoor living and dining room with fireplace, hardwood floors, and a chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, 42-inch cabinetry, and 36-inch gas range. Downstairs, you'll find the primary bedroom, plus a guest bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and a dedicated office. Upstairs, 2 additional secondary bedrooms with a bath, and a game room and media room. Resort-style neighborhood pool with exclusive access to Northwoods residents and your steps to the neighborhood pond with walking trail and abundant natural wildlife. You can watch the Avery Ranch fireworks from the back porch, and kids in Northwoods attend exemplary and award-winning Round Rock ISD schools. For more information or to schedule your own showing, contact Kopa Real Estate at 512-791-7473.